Hello everyone. Welcome to this special video on Children's Day 2025. It's a day filled with laughter, joy, and gratitude for the wonderful children who brighten our world every single day. And teachers play a magical role in making this celebration unforgettable. This video explores 12 fun and creative ideas that teachers can plan to make Children's Day extra special this year. 1. Begin the morning with a warm welcome. Decorate the school gates and hallways with colorful balloons and cheerful banners that say, Happy Children's Day. Greet every child with a smile, a high five, or a little handmade badge that says, You are a superstar. Small gestures like these make children feel loved right from the start of the day. 2. Plan a surprise teacher's performance. Students love seeing their teachers sing, dance, or act in a funny skit. You can recreate a classroom scene or perform a story that teaches kindness and friendship. When teachers step on stage, the children's laughter and applause fill the hall with joy. 3. Organize the children's talent show, called Mini Stage Stars. Let every child perform something they love, singing, dancing, or even magic tricks. Teachers can host the show and cheer loudly for every act. Remember, it's not about winning. It's about celebrating confidence and creativity. 4. Play Guess the Baby Photo. Ask teachers and students to bring one baby picture each. Display them on a bright board and let everyone guess who's who. At the end, reveal the answers and share funny stories. It's always full of smiles and giggles. 5. It's time for movie magic. Turn the classroom or hall into a cozy mini theater. Spread mats and cushions, lower the lights, and play a fun animated film. Serve popcorn and juice boxes, and let everyone relax together after all the excitement. 6. Plan a special children's treat party. Arrange a table of goodies, cupcakes, chips, fruit cups, and candies. Teachers can hand out little treat boxes or arrange a sharing table where kids exchange snacks. It's a sweet way to spread joy and togetherness. 7. Set up a fun game zone. Prepare simple and exciting games like musical chairs, balloon burst, sack race, or ring toss. Encourage teachers to play along and cheer for their students. Laughter and teamwork make the day even more memorable. 8. Let's have a ramp walk called Walk Like a Star. Children can walk the ramp proudly in their favorite outfits. Play upbeat music and let them pose and smile for photos. Teachers can join too, to make it even more fun and inclusive. 9. Organize a dream job costume parade. Ask students to dress up as what they dream to become in the future. A doctor, a scientist, a chef, or maybe a pilot. Each child can say one short line about their dream job. It inspires imagination and helps children believe in themselves. 10. Keep the excitement high with a lucky draw and surprise gifts. Put every child's name in a colorful box and pick a few lucky winners. Gifts can be storybooks, sketch sets, or puzzles. You can also give fun certificates like Best Smile Award or Most Helpful Friend. 11. Create a Children's Day Mela. Turn your school into a mini fair filled with games, craft stalls, snacks, and photo corners. Teachers can manage stalls and join in the fun. Music, laughter, and colorful decorations will make it a celebration to remember. 12. End the day with a heartfelt message from teachers. Gather everyone for a short closing circle. Share words of encouragement. Remind children how special and capable they are. Thank them for filling your classrooms with laughter and learning every day. Children's Day is not just a celebration, it's a reminder of how precious childhood is. It's about joy, for creativity, and the love between teachers and students. So to all the wonderful teachers, plan with love, celebrate with laughter, and make every child feel like a shining star. Happy Children's Day 2025. May your day be filled with smiles, joy, and endless fun. Thank you.